Chapter 6. Let us not judge others. Most of us are very fond of judging others. We refer to people as proud, bad, nasty, dirty, dishonest, and so on. Most often our judgments are wrong. We are being very unfair to others. In order to make a judgment, we should know all the facts. Very often, we do not know the actual facts. We hear something or we notice something and we make our judgment. Through our wrong judgments, we hurt others. We spoil their reputation. We break friendships and we cause a lot of pain to others. Very often, a person may say something or behave in a particular way. We may not know the reason for this behavior. We may not know the intention of the person. Still, we criticize his actions or words or behavior. Without thinking further, we label him selfish, naughty or cruel. There is nothing more unfair than this. You are dishonest. She is proud. He is nasty. You are very bad. She is selfish. She is selfish. A new English teacher joined St. Joseph's School. He was taking his first class in Standard 7. After he entered the class, he asked the students to take out their English textbook. Then he asked each one to read a paragraph. Read loudly, he shouted at Raju. Pronounce the words clearly, he said to Meena. The next student was Arun. He got up, held the book in the left hand and began to read. What's your name? Shouted Mr. Joseph. Arun, sir, said the boy quietly. Where did you learn to read? Who taught you to hold the book in the left hand? What a fool you are, shouted the teacher. Terrified, the boy kept quiet. Come on, carry on, said the teacher. Arun continued to read in a stammering manner, still holding the book in his left hand. Oh, so you are stubborn. Can't you understand English? Get out of my class. Poor Arun walked out in tears. The whole class was terrified. After the bell, the monitor went to the teacher and said, Sir, Arun does not have his right hand. He lost it in an accident 2 years ago. The teacher felt very sad and apologized to Arun for his mistake. What happened to Mr. Joseph can happen to any of us. Hence, it is certainly better not to judge anyone. When we point a finger at others, 3 of our fingers are pointing back to us. Are we prepared to be judged by others? No, certainly not. If we do not want to be judged, let us not judge others. The Bible says, Thou shalt not judge. Chapter